across to these live pictures coming in from New Delhi, where Sindhu has just arrived after that fantastic win at the Olympics 2020. After that Olympic feat, and what a rousing reception it has been for the two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu, who is now in the national capital. Of course, all COVID norms being taken care of, but shuttler PV Sindhu, who has just arrived at the international airport in the national capital and being welcomed with a rousing reception from the IGI airport in New Delhi. PV Sindhu, who made the country proud and won the bronze, is now in the national capital. She has just arrived and she is now being welcomed. Niranjan is with me on the phone line. Niranjan, as we stay with those pictures, what a rousing reception it is.
Well, Sindhu has achieved what no other Indian athlete has achieved, and we're staying with these pictures because we're expecting her to come out of the airport anytime. Let me see if Sumi is also live with us. If Sumi is live with us, we can go across to her as well. And Sumi is outside the Delhi airport. Sumi, fantastic, achievement and something that no Indian athlete has achieved, and a rousing reception also awaits PV Sindhu, Super Sindhu, isn't it?
Absolutely, she is indeed Super Sindhu because her arrival is it's awaited, in fact, by the Indian people. And in fact, here, after her outstanding performance and the kind of feat that she has achieved in the Olympics by becoming the only female Olympian and also the sportswoman who has achieved 2 individual Olympian medals, is certainly a huge achievement. In fact, we are waiting for her outside gate number 5 here at the Delhi airport, where the security has been heightened for her arrival. And in fact, on a lighter note, I would also like to tell people that yesterday, when his father, PV Ramana, also a volleyball player, had gone live with the media, in fact, had expressed his view and expressed his desire that PV Sindhu will certainly have an ice cream after she arrives here in the national capital. She will have a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where she will have this dessert. Because remember, in the online interaction also that she had with Prime Minister Narendra Modi just ahead of her game, she expressed that because of the fitness that she has to maintain, because of the stellar performances that she needs to give, which is why she's on a very, very tight schedule, on a very, very tight diet, and which is why she expressed her desire to finally, with a calmed mind, she wanted to come to and meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, take his best wishes for her future endeavors, and also wanted to have a dessert. And we are waiting that when that invitation certainly will come from the Prime Minister, and PV Sindhu's arrival here is being awaited, and there is a whole band that is also playing songs, motivational songs for her, and the entire media of the country is waiting for her arrival. We are waiting for her with bated breath because she is the India's pride, and after her outstanding performance at the Tokyo Olympics 2020, she's finally going to come to India, and she's very, very happy herself, and her family is also very happy. In fact, her father and mother yesterday, after she achieved that feat, had an interaction with the media, and in fact, they are also very proud. PV Ramana very clearly said that the superstar daughter of his will certainly go and meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is certainly no Olympian has achieved before, and it also replicates her Rio Games. In fact, this achievement is coming 5 years after she secured the 2nd position in the Rio Games. And in fact, this is again a huge achievement she has added, and this is another feather that she has added to her hat. And she is the ace badminton player, and in fact, her contemporaries are also congratulating her. There are various sports persons who are coming and wishing her, all the good wishes they are giving her on Twitter. In fact, Sachin Tendulkar also congratulated her on achieving this unachievable feat. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also congratulated her. And they have been pouring these good wishes have been pouring from every nook and cranny of the nation as she is coming back to India, and we are waiting for her with all the excitement. An Indian flag is certainly raised high in the Tokyo Olympics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has certainly encouraged all these sports persons who have been going out there and performing and giving their best. And as a result of that, we have seen the stellar performances by all of them, be it Chanu and also all other Olympians who have performed greatly. And in fact, we're also seen the Indian hockey team scripting history.
It has been a historic moment that she created at the Tokyo 2020 Games. And remember, we stay with these pictures that are coming in from the IGI airport in New Delhi, from where Sumi has been reporting as she gets us scenes of what exactly is happening there. It has been a rousing reception, and the country really waiting to welcome shuttler PV Sindhu. As Sumi was also telling us that she will stay in the national capital for a couple of days to come and will also be meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But what a moment it was when PV Sindhu clinched that bronze medal for India after she defeated China's He Bingjiao 21-13, 21-15 in the third place playoff. And Sindhu, who has created history. She's the first Indian woman to win 2 individual medals at the Olympics. Don't know when we'll get to see such a victory next, but PV Sindhu is certainly the star of the moment, and she says it is an exciting and happy moment for me to be back. She is in the national capital. Remember, she is slated to stay here for the next couple of days, and she will also be meeting with the Prime Minister. We continue to dip into those live reactions coming in, and Sumi, who will be back with us very shortly to tell us what is happening at the IGI airport as we stay with these pictures. And of course, it is chaotic as there is a lot of excitement to get a glimpse of PV Sindhu. Niranjan is back with us on the phone line. Niranjan, I believe she's set to leave from the airport, and those are live shots coming in from the IGI airport. But the next few days are going to be all about celebrating her victory, Niranjan.
Well, absolutely. I think, all of India is celebrating not just PV Sindhu, but, our performance at the Olympics. And PV Sindhu is very, very special because she's won 2 Olympic medals now, a bronze at the Tokyo Olympics, and she won the silver at the Rio Olympics. And the only female athlete in India to win 2 Olympic medals, and that too in back-to-back Olympics. And it's a very, very rare feat, one that, it may be very difficult to emulate for a long time to come. And PV Sindhu, along with the entire Indian Olympic contingent, making India so proud. Even the men's hockey team this morning, even though they lost, they are still in the running for. They're in the running for the bronze medal, and they will be fighting really, really hard. So, and the Prime Minister and the entire country is going to honor our Olympic contingent. In not just now, but we've been honoring them, and we will honor them on the August 15th at the Red Fort. They're being invited by the government to be a part of the Independence Day celebrations. The Prime Minister is also meeting the Olympic contingent at his residence on the 14th of August. So, we're all celebrating our athletes. They're representing the tricolor in Tokyo, and they've made India so proud with their achievements. And PV Sindhu, she's etched her name among the all-time greats, one of the all-time greats in badminton. And she's won the women's singles bronze medal to add to the silver that she won at the Rio de Janeiro Games in 2016, I think that was. And she's become the first Indian woman, second overall from India, to achieve the feat of winning 2 Olympic medals. And it's a big moment for her. In the third place playoff, the game that took place on Sunday, she beat China's He Bingjiao, and the win came after her loss in the semi-finals to world number 1 Tai Tzu Ying. So it's a big moment for her as well. And we're now all watching out for our hockey teams, the men's hockey team, which is in the running for the bronze, and the men's hockey team in the running for bronze, and the women's hockey team in the semi-finals for the first time. It's a record in itself. And we're all waiting to just cheer them on and to see if they go on to achieve what we all want them to. They will be going for gold. And just before we take a break, I'd like to once again play out what Sindhu said just after getting off that plane, she was greeted by a limited media contingent, and this is what she said. And we'll take a break and we'll come back. She's also expected to hold a news conference in some time from now. The entire country very, very proud of her once again. And she will remember this even 5 years ago when she returned from Rio, that the kind of reception that she got. And this time, it's much bigger. What a player, one of the greatest badminton players of all time.